So I've went over how to make a Q-plot before back in chapter 2, but we're just revisiting it in this section as we start talking about normality and we need them again. And as I said back in chapter 2, we were really just learning the mechanics and now we're actually applying it. Now for the mechanics of this, it doesn't actually really matter which way your graph goes. So now I've just got a data set here. This is weights of paper and garbage. If I go here and I go to graph, Qplot, I'm going to make my Qplot. And this is my graph. This is a perfectly acceptable graph. You can turn this in for your project. The issue though is in my math lab is going to flip the X and Y axes. And that doesn't actually not going to change any of your results, but it will change as you're trying to match it up. So I want to show you how to get the same one they did so that you're getting something that then you can match up in my stats lab. And as I said, in your project, I don't care that you make this extra step because you can make those same decisions without this. So you can see here, I see the hooks. But now all I'm going to do here is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to Qplot again. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this normal quantiles on the y-axis. And this is going to flip my x and y. And you can see I still see those same hooks. I'm still going to see that same, I'm mostly on. I've just got these couple little outliers. All the same information is there, but this will match then the My Stats Lab graph. So that's the main reason I want to show you that little trick. And obviously my other discussions were really talking about how we're using this as part of our normality. We want to make sure we have those mechanisms, the basics of how to create this graph.